In this video, we will explain how the multifunction display works and how to use it. The MFD displays useful messages such as notifications, basic screens like fuel consumption, and is the hub to set and adjust maintenance notifications. The basic screen displays the clock, climate control, outside temperature, and information screen. Available are electric components operations, preventative safety, eyesight, favorites, weather information, navigation, audio, clock and date, and guidance screens. To scroll through the different menu screens, press up, down, or set buttons located at the 7 o'clock position on the steering wheel. To access the settings, scroll to the guidance screen. Press and hold Info. The top menu will be displayed. Using the up or down buttons, select your preferred menu and press the Information Set button to enter the menu to adjust settings. That's how the multifunction display works on the 2019 Subaru Forester.